Now, what is software as a service? Again, this is called SaaS. Now, suppose I have to create a certain document. I want to create one. I want to create my biodata, and I want to use Microsoft Office. So, what I have to do? Uh, I have to first install Microsoft Office on my system. Now, these days, this is not a requirement. You do not need to install any office suite on your system. What you can do, you can access Office 365 online. That means no need to install on your system. By using the browser, you can access the Microsoft Word through the browser, or alternatives are also available. You can use Google Docs. That means if you want to create any document, you have to just go into your Google account, and you have to just click on Google Docs, and what in one browser docs will get open. You can, what you can do, you can create your document. That means software as a service. That means these days you do not need to install your softwares on your system. That means they are available through the browser. The another advantage is when we are going to save this, if you are using suppose Google Docs, what will happen, it will automatically get stored in your storage as a service cloud. So these days most of the time what we do, we use software as a service. Now another example of software as a service is your Johu Docs. Again, when we are using Johu Doc, that is example of your software as a service. Now even these days most of the people they use antivirus for removing the viruses. So again, these days cloud antiviruses are available. That means instead of installing the full antivirus on your system, you are just going to install certain agent on your system. So they again that is your software as a service. That means each and every software is now being offered as a storage as a service. Now when we talk about your storage as a service or software as a service, anybody can use it. Mean doctors can use, CAs can do, even English professor can use. That mean when we are talking about infrastructure as a service, IAAS cloud, network engineers or your hardware engineer, mean technical knowledge is required. When we are talking about platform as a service, again programmers, that cloud is for programmers. That means we need a certain technical expertise. But when we are talking about storage as a service or software as a service, anybody can use. These two clouds are part of almost every person's life.